All right, everybody, this may very well be the best $79 I have spent at Harbor Freight. Normally these things go for $100. I caught it on a coupon day. Yep, $79.99. Now, I don't normally buy stuff like this from Harbor Freight. I do have a welder from them, but yeah, it's neither here nor there. This, I think, is going to be hot garbage. The reason I did pick it up is I've got two problems that I need to solve. One is my neighbors have 4 chickens and they let them just kind of run around. I don't really have a problem with this, except for the fact that they poop, and they poop a lot. All over my concrete, all up and down the driveway, in the backyard, along the side of the house. It's gotten to the point where my daughter's complaining about it, and so we gotta take care of it. And the second would be motorcycles. So these things get so dirty during races. They've got rubber all over them. They've got grease and grime, oil, gas, you name it. So the less I have to get in there and scrub by hand, the better. Now I think that this is perfectly capable of handling those two issues. Would I use it for anything else? My expectation levels are super low for this. But on the other hand, if for $79 it meets all of my expectations, I'll be super pumped. So let's unbox this thing and see how chintzy it really is. It's so tiny. I really would have preferred any color other than this obnoxious green. Alright, so we got the main unit, we got the hose, we've got this awful plastic handle. I mean, the majority of it's plastic, so it looks like a hose reel holder. The wand, again, like all plastic. I didn't even notice it's got an adjustable nozzle. So I don't even think you can put different orifices in this. Alright, so with this thing unboxed, I have to say that pretty much absolutely every part of it is plastic. Other than like the hose and the power cord, every single thing on this thing is plastic. The entire wand, as far as I can tell, other than maybe one of the inserts towards the nozzle, is all plastic. That's probably what's going to break first. If not, I would say this this clamp for the high pressure side. If that doesn't go first, I'd say that this clamp on the high pressure side, which is all plastic and screws into some threading, that's probably next to go. And that's assuming this thing actually runs. Well, let's go give it a shot outside. This is just normal water pressure going through the machine right now. With the variable nozzle, the smallest setting is pretty powerful. It is actually, you can see the line in the concrete there. When you open the nozzle up to its biggest size though, it kind of loses a lot of that power. It's good for pushing dirt, but not really getting much off the concrete. It's really not strong enough to hurt you if you point it directly at your skin. Found some growth on the concrete, and this had to be the most satisfying thing I did with the pressure washer. It was just great watching all that just dirt and everything come up off the concrete. I'm sure having a concrete attachment for this would be much better, but it is still a lot of fun. Alright, it's bike time. So for this I'm using a little bit of S100 wheel cleaner. It's like the gel kind of solution. And I'm just going to spray it on. I'm not going to agitate it at all. Like I said, I want to be super lazy about this. I want it to be the easiest thing possible for cleaning up the bike. Just spritz in the rear wheel, a little bit on the front wheel, and straight into pressure washing. I don't think these wheels have been this clean since I bought them. I'm super pumped with how these turned out. It also got a ton of the grease off the engine, and if I spend a little bit more time, I think I could really clean this up. So I spent about an hour at this thing, and I have to say I'm pleasantly surprised. I think for $79, it's probably one of the best things that you could buy. It's less than a tank of gas these days. As far as the reliability, that's yet to be proven. So if you're interested in seeing how it does over time, hit that subscribe button and I'll get you a little notification once we post up again. Definitely going to give it about a year if it lasts that long. It's got a 90-day warranty, so definitely going to use the crap out of it for 90 days, see if I can break it by then. But if not, I mean, $79, like I said. Did the two things that I wanted to do, cleaned up chicken poo and motorcycle wheels. I think that's all I got for this one. Thanks for joining me in the garage, and I'll see you on the next one.